Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope, student, you all are fit and healthy. So, today date is 17. I am teaching you chapter number 16, The Great Indian Desert. Okay. So, student, open your book. Open page number 99. So, we are doing the book exercises of the chapter. We are doing the book exercises of the chapter. So, question number A, tick the correct answer. This question we have already completed in the book. Then, question number B, fill in the blanks. This question also we have completed in the book. Now, student, let's start with question number C. Write true or false. So, some statements are given and we have to tell whether the given statement is true or false. Let's start with the first question. First question number 1. The Thar Desert lies in the state of Gujarat. Okay. Question number C. Write true or false. Oh. Question is, the Thar Desert lies in the state of okay, student, when I am telling you about the Thar Desert, so student, the Thar Desert lies in the state of Gujarat. When I explain you about the Thar Desert, so I tell about the in it has a boundary. It is in 4 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab and Haryana. Okay, some part of the maximum part of the Thar Desert is in Rajasthan. Some part extends in Gujarat and some part extends in Punjab and Haryana. And the Thar Desert has also boundary from the neighboring country, that is what? That is Pakistan. Is it clear? It also has a boundary with the neighboring country, that is Pakistan. So in this question it is given the Thar Desert lies in the state of Gujarat. Thar Desert extend in some part of the Gujarat, but it is not only in the Gujarat. Is it clear? Maximum part of the Thar Desert is in Rajasthan and some part extend in Gujarat and Punjab and Haryana. Okay, because due to Aravalli Hills, which is the oldest mountain range, सो अरावली हिल्स के होने की वजह से ये थार डेजर्ट क्या है, वहां जो डेक्कन प्लेटू वाला जो एरिया था आपको पढ़ाया था, वहां आगे एक्सटेंड नहीं कर पाए, क्योंकि क्या है, अरावली माउंटेन्स रेंज है वहां पे. इज इट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ए फॉल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Rajiv Gandhi Canal has changed the life of the people. Rajiv Gandhi Canal has changed the life of the okay. So student, see, it is true to say that the canal has changed the life of the people of the थार डेजर्ट और राजस्थान, कुछ भी आप कह सकते हो, ठीक है. सो इट इज ट्रू ड्यू टू द कैनल, बिकॉज इन दिस कैनल water is supplied from the Satluj river and its tributaries, and there is a dam built on a river Satluj, and this water is through the canal supplied to the Rajasthan, and the length of this canal is, student, 650 kilometer. So this is true, but the question is false. What is the reason for that? This is true that canal, from here you will see, canal has changed the life of the people. This is true, but again this is false. What is the reason for that? Reason for that is the name of the canal is not right. Here it is written राजीव गांधी कैनल. ठीक है, नहर के पानी ने ही राजस्थान के लोगों की लाइफ चेंज कर दी है. बट व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द कैनल मेंशन इन दिस सेंटेंस, in this statement? That is not true. Right answer is the Indira Gandhi canal. It is not a Rajiv Gandhi canal. Is it clear? That is the reason this statement is false. That is the reason, student, this statement is false. Next question. Desert plants have long roots. So student, when I explain you about the Thar desert, at that time I explained you the vegetation in this area is very less, because rainfall is very less. So there are only some trees which can survive in this area, and this is true, student. The plants which are found in desert area, they have long roots. And what is the reason for that, student? Reason is that due to scarcity of water, or you can say due to less rainfall, what happened? The soil पार्टिकल इज चेंज इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ ए सैंड पार्टिकल, वहां क्या बन गई है, रेत बन गया है सॉइल का। इसलिए अगर प्लांट्स की रूट्स डीप नहीं होंगी तो फ्रॉम वेयर दे गेट द वाटर। सो इट इज ट्रू स्टूडेंट दैट द प्लांट्स रूट्स आर वेरी डीप सो दैट दे कैन ऑब्जर्व द अंडरग्राउंड वाटर। ठीक है, ग्राउंड के नीचे भी वाटर होता है ना बेटा। सो इसलिए ये पेड़ों की जो रूट्स होती है दैट इज डीप so that they can absorb the water from the ground. So this statement is true. Now see question number 4. There are many sanctuaries in Rajasthan. So student, there are many sanctuaries in Rajasthan. So what type of sanctuaries are these, student? These are wildlife sanctuaries. And it is true student, there are number of sanctuaries in this area, that is wildlife, animals को रखते हैं इसमें, the animals whose population is decreasing day by day. So such type of animals are kept in these sanctuaries, and there are many sanctuaries in Rajasthan like Ranthambore, Bhagalpur, Sariska. What are these are the wild life sanctuaries in Thar desert. So there are many sanctuaries in Rajasthan. Student, this answer is, this statement is true. So student, let start with the question number 5. Rajasthan gets plenty of rainfall. So as we know that student, Rajasthan is a desert area, and reason is that the rainfall in this area is very less. So in this statement it is given Rajasthan gets a plenty of rainfall. What does it mean? It means that rainfall in Rajasthan area is a very good rainfall. Okay, so this is a false statement. अगर जहां अच्छी रेनफॉल होती तो ये एरिया डेजर्ट होता ही नहीं. Is it clear? So this is a false statement. Now student, take out your classwork copy, because we will start with question number D, short answer questions. So take out your classwork copy. Left hand side you will write the date that is 17/9/2020. Then chapter 16, name of the chapter, the Great Indian Desert. And then you will write question number D, short answer questions. Short answer questions. Now question number 1. What are oases? So what is oasis, student? A fertile area in desert where the groundwater come on the surface. That area is known as oasis. And what important thing you will see near the oasis, you will find many villages around this oasis, because we know that the rainfall in Rajasthan is very less. Even people are not getting clean drinking water for drinking and for the cooking and other purposes also. Now in present time, due to the Indira Gandhi canal, the life of the people has changed. Now even they are doing lot of cultivation also in Rajasthan area. But when there is no supply of water from any canal in that area, life of the people is very difficult. There are very, it is very difficult to survive in Thar desert area. Okay. Now, so that is the reason, if there is a oasis, so maximum villages you will find they are near this oasis, and there is a vast population अराउंड दिस ओएसिस, मतलब ओएसिस के आसपास सारे विलेजेस बस जाते हैं, तो वहां इस एरियाज की क्या है, पॉपुलेशन भी क्या होती है बेटा, बहुत ज्यादा होती है. ठीक है, पॉपुलेशन क्या होती है, ज्यादा होती है. ओके, सो नोट डाउन. The fertile area in the desert the fertile area in the desert where underground water comes to the ओके, फर्टाइल को बेटा उपजाऊ भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है। द फर्टाइल एरिया इन द डेजर्ट वेयर underground water comes to the surface. Note down the answer. You can also take the screenshot also, so that after that you can note down. Next question is, what are sand dunes? How are they formed? Okay. A desert is a desert is vast, vast मतलब बहुत फैला हुआ है, ठीक है। वास्ट, संडी एंड रॉकी। ओके, सी व्हाट आर सैंड ड्यून्स? जो रेत के टीले बनते हैं, जो डेजर्ट एरिया होता है बेटा, इन अ डेजर्ट एरिया, सो इट इज नॉट लाइक ए व्हेन यू मूव इन द प्लेन, सैंड इज in this manner. I show you in the picture also. So what happen, you in this Thar desert area you will see there are many sand dunes, you will see in this area. Okay, now student, the question arises, how these sand dunes form? So these sand dunes are formed due to the blowing winds, and that is the reason student, the position of these sand dunes is not fixed, ठीक है, due to air it moves all the time. Is it clear? So a desert is a vast sand and rocky, this having small hills of a sand dunes, ठीक है। So and how these are formed? These are formed by the blowing winds. Okay, these are formed by the blowing wind. That is the reason these sand dunes are not fixed. ये fixed नहीं है, रेत के टीले बन जाते हैं, बड़े बनेंगे, छोटे बनेंगे, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे बनते रहते हैं. देयर इज अ मूवमेंट ऑफ दिस सैंड ड्यून ड्यू टू द ब्लोइंग, मतलब हवा के चलने से, ड्यू टू द ब्लोइंग ऑफ विंड्स. Is it clear? That is sand dunes. And how they are formed? Due to the blowing winds, they are formed. Write the names. Question number 3. Question number 3 is write the names of few sanctuaries found in Rajasthan. So there are number of wildlife sanctuaries are also in Rajasthan. And what is the purpose of this wildlife sanctuary, student? The purpose is that due to the continuous cuttings of the trees of the forest, what happened? These forests are the natural houses of these wild animals. So due to cutting of the forest means cutting of the tree, what's happened? So their natural habitat जो उनके थे वो डिस्टर्ब हो गए. Is it clear? Many of them are killed by the human beings also. So and even जब इतने ज्यादा लैंड्स कट कर दिए गए, फॉरेस्ट कट कर दिए गए, तो इवन they are not getting the food also. So day by day what's happened? Their population is decreasing day by day. So the government has made wildlife sanctuaries so that they can save these animals. Okay. Now write the names of a few centuries found in Rajasthan. So what is the answer, student? Few centuries are Ranthambore, Bhagalpur, and Sariska. Okay. So these are the few. So few centuries are Ranthambore, Bhagalpur and Sariska. These are the few centuries which are found in Rajasthan. Okay, so in this manner government is saving the life of the those wild animals whose population is decreasing day by day. Okay, so in this manner government is saving these animals. Now, okay, thank you student.